All right, so we have the Venum Challenger Xtrem Backpack. And this is in camo and burgundy. They have multiple colors out there as well. I almost copped the green. I'm not sure what it's actually called, kind of looks hunter green. I almost got that. But since I'm a fan of black and red, they didn't really have red, but this will do. So this is the backpack. The reason why I wanted a backpack is because I already have a bag for my Muay Thai gear when I go to Muay Thai classes, but I also need a backpack or another bag for boxing equipment. So I keep my boxing gear separate from my Muay Thai gear, and I just wanted another bag. On top of that, when I do travel international, you know, I kind of like to match. So I'll bring my, you know, my bag for Muay Thai gear, and then I would have another bag for my clothes. I could get the same color, the same scheme and everything. Hey, I'm down. So this is the backpack. And I'll let you know why they call it an Xtreme. Okay, but first off, you've got your regular shoulder straps here. And what's really cool is this little thing. Backpacks with this locking mechanism that goes over your chest. I do wish that there was another strap locking mechanism right here. It'd be nice for one for the waist area, but at least this one has the chest, and that's cool. Also a little here, little hoop so you can hang it up somewhere. It does have padding here on the back side of your backpack, which is great. When you are walking with backpacks, it's nice to have some kind of padding here, especially if you have bulky stuff inside. You don't want something jamming up on your back, right? And it is soft. It does have material that seems like if you were sweaty, that it would air out, dry out pretty well. The construction of it seems really durable. I read somewhere that others were worried about the zipper and that the zipper felt cheap. To me, it does not feel cheap. It feels fine. It feels great. It feels easy to zip up and unzip. The inside has a bunch of little Venum logos that are reflective. On the inside, it's super deep too, by the way, super deep. Let me try to lift this up here so you can kind of tell in the camera. It's super deep. There is a little section towards the back where the straps are here, where you can put a laptop. I have a 17-inch LG Gram laptop, and it fits right in. In fact, it seems small compared to this pouch. So you could probably fit a lot more larger laptop in the back than that. There is another little pocket here if you want to place some pins. There's enough width in here. I mean, you can stuff this like big time, like big time, which is fantastic. This is exactly what I needed. As for extra pockets, right here is a zipper on the top, and it's pretty long. If you wanted, you could put, you know, your wallet and, you know, other papers and such. Top part right here is a double zipper. Folds and lays down pretty deep. You could fit, you know, notebook papers, notebooks, notebook folders in there. Also has a little strap mechanism here, clamp, so that way you can put more in there to bulge out if you wanted to. Some extra clamps right here. Like I said, if you really want this backpack to widen up, right, you can undo those. You have another zipper on the side, and this has some insulation here, which I believe it's like a coolant kind of, you know, think of when you have like a lunch box and you want to keep your cold items, right? Super deep. You can see my arm. It's almost up to my elbow. So it's super deep, and it's really wide. On this side, you have another pocket, one zipper, and that's as far as it goes right here. And again, it's sort of deep, not as deep, but it goes to about close to my elbow. So about right there. Other side pocket here, mesh. I don't really like these because, you know, what am I supposed to put there? You put anything there, it just kind of expands everything out, you know. Same here on the side, another mesh pocket. Venum does provide a backpack exactly like this is what you see. The reason why this is an Xtrem is because you can expand it. So there's a zipper here on the back side that you can unzip all the way around, and then it opens up more, just like that. Bam! Just like that. It also has some straps here so you can undo, so you can get the max capacity. Same here. And you got a double zipper which hides this door. And this is a door where you can access this compartment here. It's the only door to access that compartment. And it does have a mesh here for air, and also on the back side, right there. So let me go ahead and put it on. So this is with the bottom part expanded, as you can see. So it's kind of like a camping bag. And the strap, bam. And you can just tighten it up, and it's cool, it's comfortable. Whenever you're making purchases for bags, there's always that worry that maybe it's not going to be able to hold everything that I want, my gear, my clothes, when you're taking on a trip, something like that. And this is it. This is it. I could put my shoes down here and clothes up here. I could put my boxing gloves in here, and shin guard in here, and headgear and shorts and anything else that I need. And it's easy to put back together as well. So let's go ahead and fold this in. Gonna get the zipper on the back. And sneak everything in there like that. Boom, bada bing. And just tuck everything in, and you're done. Bam. This is dope. So I recommend, if you are a person that likes backpacks, because the strap kind of thing is your go-to kind of thing. You're a biker, or you're just a traveler, and you want that backpack, this is the way to go. Like and subscribe, and as always, cop.